If you're looking for a way to remove unwanted hair painlessly and get that smooth salon finish at home, you might want to check out Depil Bella Hard Wax White Chocolate. This wax is known for its gentle formula, no strip application, and moisturizing effects, perfect for those with sensitive skin. But does it really work? In this video, we'll go over how to use it, tips for the best results, and mistakes to avoid. So make sure to stick around until the end. Depil Bella Hard Wax White Chocolate isn't your typical wax. Unlike soft wax that sticks to both hair and skin, this hard wax only grips the hair, making it much less painful. It's infused with cocoa butter, which helps hydrate and nourish the skin while waxing. Plus, the white chocolate formula gives it a smooth consistency, making application super easy. No strips needed, just apply and peel off. Works on both coarse and fine hair. Perfect for sensitive areas like the bikini line and underarms. Leave skin hydrated and smooth, not dry or irritated. If you have dry or sensitive skin, applying a tiny bit of pre-wax oil can help prevent irritation. Now let's go over the right way to use this wax for long-lasting, smooth results. Step 1. Prep your skin. Wash and dry the area to remove oils. Lightly exfoliate 24 hours before waxing to prevent ingrown hairs. Apply a little baby powder to absorb moisture. Step 2. Melt the wax. Use a wax warmer to heat it to a honey-like consistency. Always test the temperature on your wrist first. Step 3. Apply the wax. Spread a thick, even layer in the direction of hair growth. Leave the edges slightly thicker so you can grip it easily. Step 4. Remove the wax. Wait 20 to 30 seconds until it hardens, but it's still flexible. Hold the skin taut, then quickly pull the wax in the opposite direction of hair growth. Step 5. Aftercare. Use aloe vera or a cooling gel to reduce redness. Avoid hot showers, scrubs, and direct sunlight for at least 24 hours. For a smoother finish, apply an ice pack right after waxing to calm the skin. Skin. So why should you choose this wax over others? Let's compare. Soft wax, also known as traditional waxing, needs fabric strips. It can be painful because it pulls on the skin and can leave a sticky residue. Now let's talk about Depil Bella Hard Wax White Chocolate. No strips needed, peels off easily. It's less painful because it grips only the hair, plus it has a hydrating formula, so no dry, irritated skin. If you're prone to redness or irritation, hard wax is a much better option than soft wax. Waxing at home is easy if you do it right, but here are some common mistakes people make and how to fix them. Mistake number 1. Waxing on damp skin. Moisture makes it harder for wax to stick. The fix. Always make sure your skin is completely dry before applying wax. Mistake number 2. Pulling the wax upward. This can bruise the skin and cause more pain. The fix. Always pull the wax parallel to the skin, not straight up. Mistake number 3. Overheating the wax. Too hot? It can burn your skin. The fix. Let it cool to a comfortable temperature before applying. If the wax gets too brittle, mix in a few drops of coconut oil while heating it to keep it smooth. And that's everything you need to know about Depil Bella Hard Wax White Chocolate. If you're looking for a wax that's gentle, effective, and easy to use, this is a great option. Have you tried this wax before? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more self-care and beauty tips. We'll see you in the next one.